Are you able to stick the knife, but you are barely hitting the target? Don't worry, because today I will show you how you can become super accurate. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, let's get back to the basics. For the accuracy throwing, for throwing knives, we are not using any device. Everything is instinctive. So you need to have really good eye-to-hand coordination. And for the complete beginners, we can maybe choose the no spin technique. And I highly recommend for the first few months, stay close to the target. For example, now we are around 2 meters from the target. And if your groups, you know, looking like this, you are all over the target, it's not so good. Best is if you are focused at one point. It could be, for example, around this center. So once again, focus, don't rush anywhere, and just try to keep in mind that center. You can see now my grouping, it's way better compared to the previous, and everything is nicely around the center. So the key, as always, is gonna be aim small, miss small. And the really important, like I said, don't rush on the longer distances. The same exercise you can do definitely, it depends on your level. You can be way further, but for the first few months, for the year, definitely, like I said, just relax. You can see, even I was a little bit down, a little bit. So now let's focus again and better grouping again, all right? Focus, and I can give you also another tip. If you don't want to destroy your precious knives, for example, now I'm using this HG Stinger, it's best to have set up like this with various targets. So you can start again, same distance, and again I'm thinking on the center. So I'm not rushing anywhere, using the no spin technique. Beautiful center, and now we can throw 2 times into this bottle. So perfect stick, and now a little bit low. I can also aim here, it's like a grapefruit or something like this on this bottle. So I can try to aim on this. A little bit on the right, just nick the bottle. So I can try again. And we hit the bottle, just didn't hit the orange. So as you can see, you can make for yourself the challenge as difficult as you want. But this can be a little bit boring. So today I will show you some of my favorite targets, how you can make this practice so much fun. So let's do it. Alright guys, so let's go from the bigger targets to small targets. And my favorite, first one, and the low budget, is just the PET bottle. You can take the plastic, recycling, you know, and like I said, you can set up targets as you want to practice. On the side of the target, right in the middle. And like I said, don't rush anywhere. Pick technique as you want. You can see this one dodge it. So even from super close distance, it's not so easy. So this time, it didn't dodge. So let's go. Now I have to stick all 2. So now we go on the middle one. Let's go. And the last, can I do the redemption on the orange? Again, same play like before. So not so easy, but as you can see, this is perfect way of the practice. It makes like a satisfying sound when you hit it, and since the target is pretty big, it gives you a little bit margin for the error, all right? So you can try this if you are a total beginner as your first target. So don't throw them away first, and you can try to practice on them. Second try, look at this. Now we are going like a medium-sized target. This is the empty can from the olive oil, and for me to make it a little bit more challenging, I left the gap between the target and the target. So let's see if we can penetrate it through and also if it will stick and how many attempts it will take. You can try to guess. So I'm going. Let's go, guys. Again, focus, don't rush anywhere. And look at that. Let's see. So actually, what happened? So the knife penetrated, but it's pretty thick. So the knife went sideways. That's why it didn't stick. So pretty interesting, but we can give this one more try. No edit. Now it's a little bit oily. So let's go with the second knife. Come on. Again, same result. This is very interesting. Look at that. And again, absolutely same like before. So first penetration through here, and it went on the side. So pretty interesting. Very strange. So I guess it's made a little bit impact on the can, and it's just going on the sideway. Third time lucky charm, but you can look at that. Very interesting result. None of them went through the backside, and it always slid on the side, but this time it's stuck. Interesting. The empty can. One of the most popular targets in knife throwing community. You definitely have to try this one. So again, I will try the same challenge like before. I'm leaving this little bit gap, throwing around 2 meters, no spin, and let's see if we can stick into the target this time on the first try. So let's see. There you go, guys. Look at that. My cameraman didn't believe me, but look at this first try. Beautiful stick. The previous target, I think it was the thicker steel or something like this. But this is so much fun. Empty can. You can practice on them, place it several, or you can even throw them at the target. That's so much fun. All right, if you ever want to become circus knife thrower, throwing around the person for huge money, you first have to throwing around the figurines and become super accurate on this before you will throw on the beautiful ladies, all right? So you can just buy like this hat. These are way cheaper, and try to throwing around it. Your absolutely main goal is to not to hit your target, all right? So let's start from the left side. Great, we can do one more left side. Ooh, it was very, very close one. Now we can go with the bottom. And last one on the right side. Let's do it. And that's how you can also practice around this figurine. So much fun, it's way better than throwing on the plain target. This gives you a little adrenaline pump. And now, one of my favorite targets, these jar lids. Again, super cheap, you can get them as much you want, set up on the target, and these are getting more difficult to hit, especially from the longer distances. So again, I will try from 2 meters. Let's see if we can stick it. How many tries? First one, perfect. Right in the center, so I definitely take it, but just for the fun, I will throw the rest. Again. Little miss. And this one hit the target. But 2 of them, 2 out of 4 in the target, definitely take it. And again, one of the most favorite targets in knife throwing community, the balloons. You can make them as small, as big you want, but they are a little bit tricky because sometimes, especially for the nose pin, you are like aiming on this part, but you have to think that there is also a target behind it. So often it's over-rotate or under-rotate and the knife don't stick. So it only counts if you can pop the balloon and also stick the knife inside of the target, all right? Otherwise, it's not count. Exactly like this. When you will finish your duct tape or you have still full one, you can put it on the target and try to hit in the middle, all right? The goal is, if you will have under-rotated knife, the duct tape will fall off. So your main goal is to hit the duct tape and it have to stay, all right? So like previous with the balloon, the knife have to be very nice thick and duct tape not fall off, all right? So let's see how many tries. They fail. So I will set up again and try for the second try. Beautiful try. The duct tape didn't even move, so this was the perfect and right in the center. So I definitely take it. Playing card. Everybody loves to throw on them. Super satisfying sound when you hit them, and since they are smaller, definitely not so easy to hit. If you can hit it in the center, it's called center cut, all right? So we can try this, the center cut on the card. A little bit below. And there you go. This one would count as the center cut. Below. And another center cut. So again, two nice sticks, and these are in the center of the card. All right? So in the mountain man competition, if you hit the center cut, that's for the most point. And this will definitely help you with the accuracy. And we are getting to really difficult challenges. The bottle cap. Put it anywhere on the target and try to hit it. You will see it's definitely not so easy. So let's see. I will go again close distance. Wow, very close. Not very close. And I take it, guys. Third try, look at that. On 3 attempts, I definitely take it. If I would be from the longer distances, it would definitely take me a longer time. But even from super close, this can take you many, many tries. So I'm really happy actually from 2 meters on the third attempt. Pretty okay, right? And if you want to go really hardcore, you can put even some cheap ring on the target and try to hit in the middle. This is super difficult. Ooh, very close. Ah. Yes. So I'm not sure how many attempts, after we can tell you in the edit. I think it was around maybe 15 or something like this, but this one was really beautiful. Of course, there are like an extra level, you can even throw the ring, but if you can do this, your accuracy will definitely improve. So guys, let me know in the comment section below which target is your favorite one for throwing accuracy, and also for the accuracy we have this special slider on some of the aged knives, so you can also check out in the link in the description below, and also these stinger knives. But for today, that's it. So thank you everybody for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.